На всякий случай еще надо камеру заснять, удобно сохраниться. Блин, мне надо заснять, когда они проезжают, чтобы закрутить событийность, когда именно проезжают. Она пока потренируется. Look, you have one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment, we capture it. You just let it slip. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. Responded on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, his nervous is better than Jefferson's calm one way if he drop bombs. When he keeps on forgetting, so he throw down the whole crowd. Goes so loud, goes to the mouth. Everyone's wanting to mouth. Show you how. Everybody's showing now. The clock's for now. Time's up over. Clouds, man, back to the others. Those rabbits, we chop. So mad, but you won't give our legacy. No, you want to have it, he knows. His whole back is closed. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to his humble on backs. When it's back to celebrity. Yo, the soul rhapsody. He better go capture this moment. Hoping don't pass you. Lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. Yo, you only get one shot. Nothing's the chance to grow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. But you can do anything you set your mind to, man. Just stay focused. Stay inspired. Be in the source. Just follow your dream. Have a good day. Goodbye, goodbye. It was my Sunday of my 100 days challenge when I worked on Eminem lyrics and закручиваю событийность. And today I did it at Abu-Даби Grand Prix of Формула-1. Эминем, братан, привет. Soon I will see him at the performance at Etihad Park. It is 500 meters from here.